Gadgets are always an important part of our daily life. We use gadgets in daily life for temporary and permanent use. These gadgets make a great impact in our society and make our daily life simple. Like this, we will show you some of the cool 10 gadgets for your knowing purpose. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. So welcome to Mystery Gadgets, and we show you cool gadgets. The first gadget of the video is Neobot Nomo N1 Hands-Free Robot Vacuum. Keep your floors clean without getting dirty yourself with the Neobot Nomo N1 Hands-Free Robot Vacuum. This smart home gadget has automatic dirt collecting and disposal. The dust bag holds 4 weeks worth of dirt, so you can forget about vacuuming for up to a month. It also offers an effective clean, thanks to its strong 2700 PA suction and multi-level cleaning modes. Even cooler, this hands-free robot vacuum automatically gives itself a power boost when it recognizes carpet. Moreover, one charge provides 200 square meters of cleaning with the 5200 mAh battery. Furthermore, intelligent laser mapping and navigation let this gadget plan the best cleaning route around your home. The second gadget is Visor Laptop Glare Guard. Take Visor, the laptop glare guard, with you anywhere thanks to its ultra-portable design. Then, when you get to the spot you want to do some work, easily set it up in seconds thanks to its no installation design. This handy gadget eliminates glare, so you can use your computer outside even on the sunniest of days. Not only that, but this laptop glare guard also acts as a privacy shield, so you can keep your work nice and safe no matter where you are. With a universal fit, Visor suits laptops from 13 to 17 inches in size. The next gadget is All-in Sensor Complete Smart Home Gadget. Simplify your smart home and get more information than before with the All-in Sensor Complete Smart Home Gadget. More than a security and smart home device, it offers completely new possibilities and applications. In fact, the All-in Sensor combines the most common sensors and can be used everywhere. It integrates a monitoring system with smart home functions, giving you both security and control over your home or other space. It includes smart control of all your electric devices and combines what many other gadgets do in just one device. In fact, it works with your smartphone as an alarm system and has sensors for fire, temperature, moisture, daylight, glass break, vibration, IR light, and more. It also offers an integrated repeater for a long radio range, a built-in timer, and smart home control. The fourth gadget is Kiko Stand Ergonomic Device. Designed to improve your experience with technology, the Kiko Stand Ergonomic Device holders help your body stay healthy. Available in 2 models, Kiko Phone and Kiko Tablet, they can hold your tablet or smartphone in 4 different ergonomic positions, preventing text neck. When you open them up, they rotate 180 to offer 2 ergonomic angles and 4 positions for reading or writing mode. Made of ultra-resistant polycarbonate, these low-tech stands guarantee a sustainable, ageless technology with an eco-responsible product design. The fifth gadget is Seal Shield Electroclave UVC Disinfection System. Clean your gadgets completely with the Seal Shield Electroclave UVC Disinfection System. Providing 360-degree UVC disinfection and mobile device management, this gadget has a patented design that works with multiple devices at once. Without mirrors or reflective surfaces, the electroclave uses LEDs to create shadowless, dust-free base. Not only that, but this UVC disinfection system also boasts 0% material degradation of exterior materials and internal electronics. Use it to disinfect your smartphone as well as other high-touch items and handheld equipment. Designed with 10 USB ports, this device can charge your gadgets while disinfecting them. The next gadget is Flex Therapy Shop FlexiGun Massage Gun. Take away your own pain by using the Flex Therapy Shop FlexiGun Massage Gun. Offering 30 different powerful speeds, this gadget lets you relieve soreness with just the right level of massage. Moreover, it delivers at least 6 hours of battery life, making it easy to use for days without having to recharge. Using concentrated and rapid pulsating strokes, this massage gun gives you long-lasting pain relief, so it's not just a temporary band-aid. With 6 interchangeable heads, the FlexiGun can relieve your muscle spasms and stiffness. The 7th gadget is IOON reusable sanitizer device. Staying safe can be expensive, and those plastic sanitizer bottles aren't good for the environment, either. The IOON reusable sanitizer device is a solution to plastic waste and saving you money as it turns tap water into a sanitized. The 8th gadget is Razer reusable stainless steel straw. Adopt a more eco-friendly way of life when you venture out to drink in a coffee shop or restaurant with the Razer reusable stainless steel straw. It's an environmentally friendly alternative to plastic, helping to save our oceans and sea life. Moreover, the Razer reusable stainless steel straw boasts a food-grade stainless steel body. That's safe to consume drinks through. And you can use it for hot drinks, too. The 9th gadget is Respira Smart Air Purifying Garden. If you love surrounding yourself with nature, the Respira Smart Air Purifying Garden is the new smart home accessory you need. This smart garden purifies the air in your home using the power of nature through a process known as biofiltration. Beyond air purification, this system also adds additional humidity, evaporative cooling, and a direct connection to nature to help create a healthier home for you and your family. Using a reusable pre-filter, Respira traps dust and large particulate matter before circulating the air through the roots of the plants to remove volatile organic compounds. It then returns fresh, clean air to your space. Respira is able to water itself and feed itself key nutrients. All that's required from you is water. Every 10-14 days and fill nutrients every 6 months. The last gadget of the video is SimpleSense Capture Water Leak Detector. The SimpleSense Capture Water Leak Detector not only knows when water touches the main unit, but it also has a 3-foot tail that senses water anywhere along its length, expanding its detection area. Simple to set up and use, Capture sends you alerts via email, text, or both. Plus, it has an onboard siren for times when your phone isn't available. The SimpleSense Capture detects hidden water leaks that might otherwise go unnoticed. This is critical, since home insurance may not cover leaks that go undetected for a while, causing you to pay out of pocket. Most importantly, quick detection means a much lower chance of water damage. This in-home, Wi-Fi connected water leak detector also alerts you to potential freeze conditions. Rest easy knowing you have around-the-clock protection. We show you some of the cool gadget in this video. I think you have liked this video. If you like it, please click on like icon, and if you don't like it, comment it why you don't like the video in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos in your thumb. So we are concluding the video. We Mystery Gadgets signing off. Thank you.